Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now.
Fish Jeerem Meerem, a classic fish curry from Goa, known for its bold cumin pepper flavor, tangy tamarind base, and fresh tender fish that soaks up every bit of rich aromatic curry. Hi, I'm Laddie, and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for Goan Fish Jeerem Meerem. This delicious fish curry is made with freshly ground spices, onions, tomatoes that gives it its signature warm, slightly spicy and tangy taste. In this recipe, you'll learn authentic home cooking tips to make a perfectly balanced curry that pairs beautifully with rice, pav or chapati. So let's get cooking now and prepare this delicious Goan Fish Jeerem Meerem. Step 1. Preparing the fish. We've taken 3 mackerels, also called Bangdas, weighing around 700 grams. Clean and wash the mackerels properly and thoroughly. Once done, cut each mackerel into 3 pieces. Put the cut pieces of fish in a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix gently. Add half teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder and mix it nicely so that the fish is properly marinated. To learn how to clean mackerels, refer to our simple and easy Goan fish curry recipe, the link for which is provided in the description box. Or write mackerel cleaning in the comments and we will send you the link. Our marinated fish is ready. Once done, cover and keep it aside for at least 15 minutes. Step 2. Preparing the ingredients. For the curry paste, take 1-inch ball of tamarind in a bowl. Add half cup or 125 ml of warm water and keep it aside. Take 3 medium-sized green chilies. Cut into small pieces. Half-inch piece of ginger. Cut into small pieces. 8 medium-sized cloves of garlic. Cut into small pieces. 1.5 teaspoon of cumin or jeera seeds. 30 black peppercorns. Half-inch thick of cinnamon, broken into small pieces. 5 cloves. Ingredients for cooking. 2 medium-sized onions, cut very fine. 1 medium-sized tomato, cut very fine. 1 medium-sized green chili, make a slit in the center lengthwise, keeping the ends intact. Half teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. Half teaspoon of sugar. Half teaspoon of salt. Step 3. Preparing the curry paste. Squeeze out all the pulp from the tamarind and discard the seeds and leftover fibers. Tamarind pulp is ready. In a mixer grinder, add the garlic pieces. Also add the green chili pieces, ginger pieces, cinnamon sticks, cloves, cumin or jeera seeds, black peppercorns. We added little more than 1/4 cup of tamarind pulp for grinding and saved the remaining tamarind pulp to add while cooking. Grind into a smooth paste. Our curry paste is ready. Rinse the mixer jar with 2 tablespoons of water and keep it aside to add while cooking. Step 4. Preparing the fish Jeerem Meerem. On medium heat, in an open thick bottom pan, add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the finely cut onions. Stir frequently to prevent burning or sticking to the pan.
Hello everyone. Do check out our new channel, Get Cooking Global. for some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. The link for the channel is provided in the comments and description box. Or simply comment Get Cooking Global and we will send you the link.
Once the onions turn slightly golden brown, add the finely cut tomato. Stir everything properly. Add half teaspoon of salt. Try to mash the tomato pieces. Add the turmeric or haldi powder. Once the tomatoes are fully mashed up, add the curry paste. Stir in the ground curry paste and fry for around 4 to 5 minutes until the masala releases its aroma and the oil begins to separate. After around 4 to 5 minutes, add the rinsed water. Also add the remaining tamarind pulp. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. Add 1 cup or 250 ml of water. Mix everything properly. Add half teaspoon of sugar. Add another half cup or 125 ml of water. Mix everything nicely. Cover and cook for around 8 to 10 minutes, bringing the curry to a boil. After 8 to 10 minutes, place the marinated fish pieces into the curry. Lift and tilt the pan gently to move the curry around as if you're swirling the curry in the pan. Check for salt and add if required. We added around half teaspoon of salt. Swirl the pan to mix the salt properly in the curry. Cover and cook for around 5 to 6 minutes until the fish is cooked and has absorbed all the flavors. After 5 to 6 minutes, add the slit green chili and give the curry a light swirl. Enjoy this curry hot with rice, bread or chapati. Do share this recipe with your friends and family members so they can also enjoy this delicious fish curry. So until next time, stay healthy and stay blessed. Delicious Goan Fish Jeerem Meerem Curry is ready.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.